GEOSENSIS X3, a professional pulse induction metal detector from GDI. GEOSENSIS X3 KIT comes inside a durable, foam-padded carry case. The ergonomic wearable cover for main unit features a neck strap plus hip mountability. Front cover is transparent and allows the use of reset push button for ground adjustment. Minimal user-friendly controls to set volume, rejection of small metal trash, and sensitivity. The metal discrimination LEDs are inside the signal meter panel. Backside has a connector that is used for coils and charging. Also a jack for Icon Data 3D imaging logger and headphones. All original GDI products have a unique serial number on a hologram label. Super Probe is a waterproof small-size pinpointer that can fit even into narrow spots. Can be ordered with 2, 5, and up to 12 meters long cable, quality made metallic coil connectors. Special partition on the lid for the 4-meter circumference cable coil. Cable coils are very resistant and tough for hard use, but they still remain flexible. (110 to 220 volts charger and headphone). GEOSENSIS X3 Professional Padded Carry Bag. Can be ordered to transport accessories like the 36-centimeter round coil, the 3-piece telescopic pole for round coils, square or round PVC frame for the cable coils, two additional external compartments for the electronics main unit. Also the Super Probe, Icon Data real-time imaging logger or other accessories.